Hey, good afternoon, y'all. I'm out in Lake Elmo again, doing another day hike, doing the hills portion in around Lake Elmo. It's about 3 miles or so. Might do the hills, and I might do another short trail today. So it's pretty nice out. A little hot, so I'm in the shade right now. Um, yeah, we'll see what today brings. Hey y'all, so still at Lake Elmo. One thing I don't like is there is a gun range that is pretty close by. Let's see if we can do some gunshots. But I did see some deer and lots of squirrels. Oh, but yeah, I'm doing the Browns Pond Trail now. It's 1.5 miles. I'm doing probably 6 miles overall. Good day. A little sticky, a little hot, but I'm in the shade. It's like off a non-shade gunshot. And they do have um, little lights on the side of the trail. Uh, if you want to do some night hiking. So yeah, finish Browns Pond here and be done for the day. Talk to you later. Love ya.